Welcome to yourboard.us. My name is Jim Foley, and I have spent the last 40 years of my life observing businesses and business owners and leaders in America. Most of my associations have been with closely held private and family companies. I have found that there are clear differences between those companies that have broken through the barrier and achieved superior growth and financial performance, and those that never really hit a consistent stride. The biggest single difference I have observed between more successful and less successful companies is a willingness of the owners and senior leaders to begin a transition from working in the business to investing more time working on the business. Working in the business is satisfying. The routine becomes very familiar, and there's a daily feeling of satisfaction and accomplishment that comes with completing the traditional to-do list. Working on the business, on the other hand, is much more obscure and does not produce the same gratification. Thus, many business owners keep on keeping on, working harder and harder in the business, and yet never really achieving the vision they have for their companies or the financial and security dreams they expected their business to achieve for themselves and for their families. I am familiar with a number of these type of owners and business leaders, and as wonderful and well-meaning people as they are, they never can seem to be convinced that you cannot maximize real growth and real profitability by just working in the business. In contrast, some business owners and leaders found a way to transition more time to working on the business. They found themselves doing the critical things that allowed their companies to grow. This group began investing their time in doing things like converting the strategic vision that they have in their mind to a strategic plan that everyone in the company can participate in. This same group used their leadership instincts to broaden their base of their leadership team, spreading the decision-making authority and also assigning more accountability. As a result, more people were vested in the business, and there were more people getting more things accomplished for the business. Good things started to happen more often. These owners and leaders that were now spending more time on the business found that what they were really doing by broadening responsibility was creating a high-performance company culture within their organization. That new company culture resulted in setting the performance bar high and then exceeding their own expectations. This type of high-performing company culture allowed for the entrepreneurial spirit to not only be not killed, but instead to be expanded and enhanced. Everyone became actively engaged, and everyone, now more than ever, assumed an active role in this new growth and financial success. The leaders of these organizations began to value and reward creativity, and the people responded by developing new and differentiated products and services, which generated a positive experience for their customers that resulted in world-class customer satisfaction. These organizations found ways to reduce costs, raise margins, penetrate new markets, and increase growth and financial performance, and it all started with the owner or senior leader deciding to transition from just being focused in the business to also thoughtfully and strategically working on the business. In most of the situations, these small and mid-sized company leaders found the time, or better stated, made the time, and did the right things to jumpstart their businesses. They established the discipline to work on the business and began the journey toward planning their businesses, implementing new processes, developing their organization with the capabilities to maneuver through tough market challenges, and they took full advantage of the scarce opportunities that we do get once in a while in the marketplace. Both my passion and mission in creating this website was to establish a vehicle to support you, the owner and senior leader, in moving your business from where it is today to where you think and want it to be in the future. The platform I have created to perform this mission is a special website called yourboard.us. You are obviously here now. This message is the tagline I put on yourboard.us. It says, "Your online advisory board," and it's designed to be just that. A place for you to go on a 24/7 basis at your convenience. that will provide you with support and help as you need it. It will support you in meeting your goals. YourBoard.us provides 3 categories of services. First, a complete video library of business solution content. There are over 60 video sessions dealing with 4 major categories of business. Those 4 categories: leadership and vision, the creation of a high-performance company culture within your organization, building the high-profit business model, and building a bridge to your target market customers. Those are the 4 primary categories of the business library. Each video segment is accompanied with a completely documented implementation plan. Everything is designed for small and mid-sized privately held businesses. Your Board's second offering includes live, interactive, web-based sessions. Among those sessions are a monthly advisory board meeting where the topics are submitted by our members. This was the original reason that we named the website Your Board. It's designed to be an advisory board, which is a great idea to have whether you have it on your own or you use our website. Advisory boards allow you to bring together knowledge that other people have about similar situations and help you build your business. In addition, there are live situation room discussions on pertinent topics and peer group sessions that are discussion groups for leaders from non-competing companies in the same industry. When you get a group of leaders together from the same industry, it's amazing where you can start to benchmark high quality performance. There are interactive business question and answer sessions with experts on different topics. We also have sessions, Q&A sessions about the content of the business library. There will be industry-specific benchmarking programs that confidentially combine your data, both financial performance and compensation information, plus many other topics with people that are similar in size and similar in industry. Periodically, there will be a noted guest speaker to address our member clients. Your Board's third offering to our member clients are the portals to expert support. These are experts representing several categories of business. These experts were selected based on both their history of success and their vast experience with private and closely held companies. These portals will take you directly to experts in several areas, which include marketing communication strategies, messaging, website design, website digital marketing, traffic analytics, prospect identification, and lead acquisition. Comprehensive online human resource support. This includes a complete virtual online HR library of topics and compliance requirements and an accompanying HR coach if you need that. Portals will include pre-hire background checking. Based on the position you're hiring for, there are optional packages to include criminal and traffic records, credit ratings, federal and state tax compliance, drug screening, pre-interview social network screening, and employment and education verification. You will find that these to be the most thorough and economical background searches you will find available any place in the industry. Your Board's portal to expert support include a complete library of training for skill set and personal attribute development. This recognized training comes to you online in a video format from the most recognized library of video training in the U.S. As you begin creating your high-performance company, you may uncover a need for personal and professional development. These training videos will fill those needs. You will find a portal for the most cost-effective and associate-friendly plan designs for health, dental, vision, and wellness for every size and type of small and mid-sized company. There is also a portal for conflict management, team building, and succession planning. Also included for our manufacturing member clients is an expert portal that provides a cost-effective, customizable, but off-the-shelf manufacturing process and dashboard control system that seals the profit leaks in manufacturing. All of these firms that make up our alliance of expert resources have spent years dealing with small and mid-sized private and family businesses. This network of experts are familiar with your challenges and also your need to be cost-effective in everything you do. In a minute, I will invite you to take a quick tour of Your Board US and view a few short examples of each of these 3 areas of support we offer to your company through our website. My interest in supporting small and mid-sized private and family-owned businesses has been realized with the Your Board US website. My goal is to offer your team the step-by-step tools and support you need in order to realize your vision for company growth, financial performance, and personal long-term security for you and all of your associates. Just because I know you're all business owners and senior business leaders, I know you're asking the big question, how much? Rather than for you to wait any longer, I will tell you now that membership in yourboard.us is less per month than one dinner for 2 people at a very reasonably priced restaurant, and there is no commitment beyond a month. I will be much more specific after we take a short optional tour of yourboard.us. I now invite you to move on to the yourboard.us tour.